Hey guys, Lori here from Jack Black. Well, here we are on the tennis court and we're considering what's the right surface to play on. You know your favorite surface, like you know your skin. It could be a clay court, it could be a concrete surface. Well, the same thing with your cleanser. How do you wash your face? What's the right face wash? Well, we've got two. You have got your daily facial cleanser, which is a creamy, dreamy cleanser, already has the toner built in, which is going to take off all that grime and dirt off your face and not leave you dry whatsoever. So, a great basic cleanser for all skin types. Well, let's say you like a different surface, maybe a clay surface. Well, we have got a clay cleanser for you. This is your Glycolic Deep Dive Clay and Volcanic Ash Cleanser. This is going to be more for your oily skin types, or if you break out in a blemish, you can put it on as a spot treatment or an ingrown hair, or you can even use it as a mask for about 5 or 10 minutes 3 times a week. So we have got two cleansers to pick from: your daily facial cleanser, which uses every day, or your Glycolic Clay cleanser, which you can also use every day. Just depends on what your surface is.